Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to contact Yahoo by phone, okay? So, as you can see, this is the official Yahoo customer care number, available 24/7. And all you need to do is come here at the bottom left, click on your phone's dial pad, and then you want to dial this number in. So it's +1, okay? That's the code, right? So you hold it down 0 to get your plus. Then you type in 1, and then their number 800, okay, 305, okay, 7664. So this is their number. It's actually toll free. Can go ahead and call anytime 24/7. I'm just gonna call right now to show you. You probably will not be able to hear what they're saying. But there you go. That is their number. You can go ahead and contact on. And it's really that easy and simple.